VMax V2 from World Dryer. Reimagine the next generation of hand dryers with the one that did it all first and is back at it again. The sleek, ultra-modern VMax V2 now lasts 2 times longer thanks to its new brushless DC motor. The VMax V2 is quieter, more ergonomic, and easier to maintain than the competition. Plus, it dries hands in as little as 12 seconds. Its vertical hands-in design features a 25% wider drying cavity. Individuals realize superior comfort and cleanliness without touching the interior surface during operation, a common concern with the user experience. Your staff will appreciate the design too. The smart LED display indicates when it's time to change the HEPA filter or empty the water tray, so there's no risk of water pooling in the system or on the floor. All of this makes it a low-maintenance solution for you and your employees, and a highly hygienic hand dryer for users. Adding more assurance to the checklist, the VMax V2 is rated to IP33, ADA compliant, and backed by a 5-year warranty. The VMax V2 from World Dryer. We put visionary products within arm's reach.